This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan with your hazardous weather briefing for Tuesday, January 7th of 2014. Well, we are right in the mix of all that nasty winter weather, mainly for northwest lower Michigan and Chippewa County up there in eastern upper Michigan. And those locations is where we find the accumulating lake effect snows and blowing snows, resulting in some very poor visibilities. But the bitterly cold and low wind chills are affecting all of northern Michigan. Current warnings and advisories remain in effect for much of the region. And that's just going to last for today, but there's going to be some very poor driving and travel conditions out there with those significant reductions in visibility. Also watch out for the increased threat for frostbite. Then as we look ahead, we're not through with the hazardous weather. We have the potential for freezing drizzle, and that would be for all of northern Michigan starting Thursday evening and gradually overspreading the region later Thursday night into Friday morning. This could result in some black ice and very slippery roads. Now that freezing drizzle may turn into a wintry mix for all of northern Michigan late Friday and Friday night. There is some uncertainty involved here, but rain, freezing rain, and snow are all possibilities resulting in more hazardous travel. And this is just a graphical depiction of those three time periods. First of all, today, the windy conditions and cold with the poor visibilities in the shaded areas. That's in the left-hand graphic. The middle graphic shows the freezing drizzle working in from the southwest Thursday evening, and it will overspread the region as we go through Thursday night. And then for late Friday and Friday night, that's when the freezing drizzle turns into that wintry mix. But again, there's some uncertainty on the exact types, location, and amounts at this time. And please remember, due to the extreme cold out there, that frostbite can occur in less than 20 minutes. Please dress in layers and keep your extremities covered. And take some warming breaks and move inside. And also don't forget those pets. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.